point to finish for today's vlog, and until next day, cheers. Hey guys, so today there is a really interesting project that we are building. We have built the phase 1, which is Notion integrated Claude Code AI assistant, and these are all AI bots which will go through Notion, and it's a very detailed Notion page. It's not just update one line kind of stuff. But what we are trying to do right now is to create a voice assistant. So instead of me typing it, it would be better to do voice assistant. But another big thing that I noticed is you have inside Claude there is something known as voice mode, and it's really hot in there. So I'm trying to put water clothes outside, so it's having some kind of coolness. So if you put /voice here and toggle voice mode, if I long press my space command, it will actually activate the voice mode, and as you can see, it will. So can you please do a voice command or like Jarvis? You see, this is pretty productivity hack for me. I just realized it today, but hope that helps you guys. So let's see how our build is going. Okay, our build is going good. Now what I have to do is to run the Python script which Claude actually gave me, and astronomically big, my friend. Speak clearly and not a normal voice. Give Claude a moment to respond from those to exit. I think let it download this thing, and once I download it, I will hack. Guys, it's time for a really important confession. So as you can see here, I'm actually reinstalling or formatting my Zebra server. Why am I doing it? Well, I think Hermes agent is not the thing for me. I started this channel and my blog saying that Hermes agent would be the best agent out there way because give me a second, because it has the auto self-learning loop. Now I kind of figured out it's kind of a .md file only, and based on my previous, like 2 days ago, I was like creating the system, and Hermes agent consistently forgets everything. So I was like, is it worth it, right? So today I was like going and trying to create an automated AI agent for my company. I was like researching on Grok, and for research purposes, every metric out there, OpenClaw wins, right? Autonomous long-running research only is a point where Hermes has a tie, and self-improvement is one thing that Hermes wins. I think the self-improvement is a overkill. It's just a .md file. So I'll tell you what a .md file is. So this is one of the .md file which my Claude Code has, right? So this is somewhat like this, right? It's like a long file on how agents should interact and stuff like that. So I was like thinking, right, why should I actually promote Hermes agent now? Why can't I just use OpenClaw? It makes a lot more sense for me. So now I'm just going to format my Zebra. It will take a bit of time. Then I'm going to use Termius and install OpenClaw here. I'll see you then. But our new system is really cool. We have created a AI agent system for tracking, and also I have created a voice assistant for this AI assistant. So the main thing that we have to think about it is, right, Perplexity, so not Perplexity, Anthropic has its own API, which is different from Claude Pro subscription, which is actually by Anthropic itself. But if you want to actually buy the Anthropic subscription, it's actually very hefty price, right? So I'm trying to set up all of this thing here and use Claude Code in the terminal, and then do voice assistant on the terminal, so we are under the budget. It's a really cool way to figure it out, guys. I think I would be doing this because it's more efficient. Tomorrow I'm kind of sleepy today, so I'm just going to install OpenClaw and zone off today. But tomorrow I will give you a better overview of how the AI agents work together. To install OpenClaw, and we are going to use the Open Router as our LLM provider, because we want to switch users, and also Open Router has a couple of free models, and these are the free models at the moment. Oh my god, okay. So we have Gemma, which is Gemini's open free model, and also we have Minimax, which has much more rating, but I think it has a very big latency. As you can see somewhere here, it has around 2 seconds latency on comparison with 0 seconds. Give me just a second. Right. So here you go. We also have OpenAI's free model GPT loss 120 parameters, 120. Next one is the search provider. This is very important because mainly you can go for DuckDuckGo or Brave. Brave is kind of freemium, but DuckDuckGo is completely free, but it doesn't give you much context. The best one to go is either FirePro or you have to go with Tably. Tably is for OpenCloud, it is developed for OpenCloud, so it has much integration, and FirePro is better for searches. So why do we need this thing? So first of all, there is a huge difference between how FireClaw works and how Tably works. So FireClaw works in such a way that you go to a Reddit post or a page or anything, and it skips any domain restrictions like Cloud